In this video, I'll show you how to watch someone's Instagram story without them knowing. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to see their story without them ever knowing. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So I'll walk you through 3 different ways that you can do this, and in my opinion, the final method is the best way to do this. So let's go ahead and open up the Instagram app. So the first way to do this is, let's say if I wanted to see Adam Levine's story without him knowing that I watched it. What I would do is tap on the story right before that story, and that would be Miley Cyrus's story. Then I would tap and hold the screen and slowly swipe to the left. By the look of things, it looks like I have a sponsored ad between Miley Cyrus's story and Adam Levine's story. So tap and hold the screen and slowly swipe to the left. Now it looks like a big cube. As you can see now, you can see their story, but do keep in mind that you do have to keep holding the screen while doing this. If you let go, that will open up that story, and they will know that you viewed their story. So this works only if they have a single photo as their Instagram story. So come back to this story and slowly let go and close that story. So if they have a video or multiple photos as their story, what you want to do next is just tap and watch their story, and after that, tap on their profile picture. And then when you are on their profile, tap on these 3 dots at the top right, and then block them for 24 hours. So the reason for this is that a story is only going to last for 24 hours and they can't see your profile if you block them. So this is kind of a weird way to do this because after 24 hours if you unblock them and follow them again, they will know that you unfollowed them. If you don't want to do that, the next thing that I would recommend doing is exiting out of the Instagram app and then opening up your browser. And then going to this exact website. Storysaver.net. So what this site will do for you is allow you to download Instagram stories to your device. So type in their exact username and then tap on download. Then you have to tap on this, I am not a robot, and complete a little verification process. It will take a couple of seconds to load up. After you do that, you will see all of the stories that they have posted in the last 24 hours. And you can tap on Save as Video to watch them. So this is the same story that he posted on Instagram. You can also tap on these 3 dots at the bottom right of the screen to download that story to your device. And you can watch that story without them knowing that you watched it. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.